Welcome students. During this class, we will study about properties, kinetic molecular model of matter. So let's start with the topic. It states that, first of all, definition. And before we start definition, we must understand, we will go up to detail different types of solids, liquids, and gases. That is this and plasma as well, which is concerned with the matter. A model which explains the behavior of matter on the basis of energy and intermolecular forces that matter possesses is called kinetic molecular theory of matter. So if you look at, this is a portion which we have discussed. These are the main points to remember before we start our topic in detail. Energy and intermolecular forces of the matter. We will see what happens in case of solids. We will see what happens in case of gases, and then we will see what happens in case of liquids as well. These are the main points to remember in case of kinetic molecular model of matter. Matter is made up of particles called molecules. The smallest particle which composes together to make a matter, either solid, liquid, or gases, that are called molecules. The molecules remain in continuous motion. All types of the molecules, either these are solid, these are liquids, these are gases, they are always in their motion. Sometimes they are in random motion, sometimes they have oscillatory motion, and sometimes they have linear motions up to a short distance. So the molecule attract each other, molecule supplies forces on each other. The motion of molecules of matter increases with increase of temperature. This is another important point to remember. Whenever you are asked to increase the motion of the molecule, what steps you are supposed to take, you have to heat the substance, and after heating they will get enough amount of energy to move at their places or to vibrate about their mean positions. So the motion, to produce motion in the molecule, we need some amount of energy. More is the energy, more will be the vibration. And in some cases, the volume of the objects increases after heating. The force of attraction decreases when the intermolecular distance increases. You increase the distance, we have already discussed so many laws and so many forces of attraction, inverse scale laws and other types of the laws, where we have seen that as soon as we increase the distance between the molecule, it will result in decrease in intermolecular forces. So here it is, topic contains the matter of states of matter according to kinetic molecular model. These are the three states mainly. This is the matter and it is composed of solid. There are liquids and then portion of the gases. So here it is. We will go up to detail about the solid. We will see about the composition of the solids, the space between the molecules, other atoms of the solid, inner molecular forces, intermolecular forces, and also about liquids and the construction of the liquid molecules. And whenever a liquid is filled inside a container, what types of the forces will be acting on the molecule. And then we will go up to the gases and we will see what's the difference between these three solids, liquids, and gases. At the end, we will see about plasma state as well. So properties of solid, starting from one. Solid have fixed shape and volume. You can't change the volume of the solid. Their volume remains the same. High density because the molecules are held close to each other. In all the states, the solids are the substances where the molecules are very much closely packed, and there are minimum spaces, the gaps between the molecules. Normally hard and rigid because intermolecular force is strength. It is another connected link with the spaces. They are much more, they are closer, much more stronger force will be acting. They are incompressible. You apply a force on a block of iron or any metal by hammering or by any other sources, you will be unable to reduce the volume. Molecules of solid vibrate about their mean position but do not move from one place to another. In case of solids, suppose these are the two atoms of the solids, it is considered that these solids are connected like a spring force between the two, and the spring is acting like a during compression and relaxation. These molecules are moving to and fro, and this type of motion is called vibrational motion, and it is studied in case of models, solid models and solid state. Examples are stone, metal, book, ballpoint. These are the main points to remember in case of the molecules of a solid. So here it is, if you look at these molecules, in case of solids, they are closely packed, they are closer to one another, and there are very, very, very small spaces, negligible spaces between their molecules. They have their motion, which is called vibratory type of the motion, and they by hammering or by other sources, you can't reduce. If these are the two atoms connected together, here it is. The point that we were discussing, that is, if you increase the force on the solid, you will be unable to reduce the volume of the solid. You will be unable to reduce their volume or unable to reduce the space between the solids. So this is the explanation of the motion of the atoms or the molecules of the solid. They have vibratory motion, oscillatory motion, to and fro motion of the molecules about their mean position. They are not changing their position. They are not moving up and down. They are oscillating at their own mean position. They are considered like this one. This is another example of the matter, types of the matter, state of the matter, that is liquid. If you see in this video clip, you can see that the molecules are moving, they are changing their position. They can move from one place to another place. This is the difference between the solids and the liquids. In case of solids, molecules are oscillating at their own position, but in case of liquids, molecules can change their position. They can slide over one another. So this is the fixed volume, but does not have a fixed shape. What type of the concept it is? What it means that you take a glass, you pour some amount of water in the glass, then shift this water into a funnel. It will attain the same type of the shape. So volume is the same. 1 liter water you carry and keep everywhere at any container, it will be 1 liter. But if you place in different types of the containers, it will attain the same shape of the container in which it is poured. High density but less then solid. Liquids have high density, but their density molecules are very have some spaces between them as compared to the solid. So that's why they are dense but less than solids. Incompressible. You can't reduce the volume of the water by applying a force at the upper surface of a glass filled with water. Similar is the case in case of hydraulic system. There are liquids used, and if they are compressible, you will be unable to lift heavy objects. You will be unable to uh, apply the brakes. So this is the property of the liquid. By applying which we are taking the benefits in our life. Applying force on the liquid does not decreases their volume. So distance between molecule is greater than the solid. This is another point. Intermolecular forces in liquid is weaker than the solid. This sequence is decreasing. Highest the force of attraction between the solid due to the close impact. This time it is liquid and it is having strong force but weaker than the solid. The molecules vibrate about their mean position and can slide over one another. These liquids molecules can have water, milk, and petrol. These are few of the examples where you can understand that the molecules can slide over each other. When you pour any type of liquid on the surface of floor, you see that this starts flowing. So what happens? One molecule can slide over the other molecule, and by this way, the motions of the molecule takes place. This is one of the examples from our life. Now, next one is properties of gas. The same steps label all the steps for all the types of the matters, states of the matter. Now, no fixed shape or no fixed volume. This is the main difference with the gases. Gases have no volume but no shape. They have why? Because they have large intermolecular forces, and this distance between the through molecule is larger than their on size. So, low density, compressible, because they have larger spaces between the molecule, and due to this larger space, you can compress the molecules together. The molecules of the gas are in random motion and move with high velocity because they have spaces between them, so it makes them easier to move from one place to another place, so they can change their places. If you have any type of the gas, you leave it at one corner of the room, you will see the smell, it spreads out in the whole room. Reason is that the molecules of the gases are able to move easily from one place to another place. The molecules are much farther apart than the solid liquid. It is clear, lighter, compressible. Then molecules are in a random motion with high velocity. Molecules are very farther apart than the solid, large distance, intermolecular distance. Now, this is the same thing which you apply in case of filling air in the tire. So, because the molecules can move with a faster speed from one end to another. So that's why it is a source of pressure, increasing pressure inside the tires of a car or a bus. The lighter than the liquid and solids, gases are lighter than because they have larger spaces between the molecule and higher volume, large volume. So that's why they are lighter than the solids. A balloon filled with air is lighter than a same type of iron ball. The molecules are constantly colliding elastically with each another with the walls of the container and exerts pressure on the wall. Elastically means there is no loss of energy or momentum. If one molecule collides with other molecule, this first molecule shifts its energy, or this, due to this molecule, the other molecule's speed increases. At the end, if you sum up, then the total momentum of the molecule remains conserved. So this is the elastic types of the collision where the energy remains conserved. So let's see the fourth one. Fourth one is that if you get the concept of the plasma, basically it's the ionic state of matter where it exists in the universe on the solar surface, sun surface, where is millions of degrees Celsius temperature. What happens? Basically, electrons are having a strong bonding force with the nucleus. And if anyone asks you how will you remove these electrons from the attractive force of the nucleus, uh, answer is very much simple. We will provide, there are different techniques and the methods, but one is if we provide heat, or if we heat the atom, this attractive force between nucleus and the electron becomes loosened. Looser is the force of attraction of nucleus and the electron. Less is the possibility of these electrons to revolve around the nucleus. When they leave from the attractive force of the nucleus, so they becomes free, and these free charges are basically called plasma state, when where it is happening at the surface of the sun, and then where it is happening on earth at different purposes in the lab and different applications. What we do, we provide certain amount of energy to the molecules of the atoms, and this results in loosening or the decreasing force of attraction with the molecules from nucleus to electrons. So that's why they becomes free. This ionic state is called plasma state. If a gas is heated continuously, the kinetic energy of the gas molecule, this one, increasing, and collision between atoms and the molecules of the gas becomes as strong as they tear off the atoms. Atoms lose their electrons and become positive ions. This ionic state of matter is called plasma. Plasma is also formed in gas discharge tube when electric current passes through these tubes. This is high when we apply high DC voltage in gas filled containers of the tubes. This high voltage results in loosening of electrons from the nuclear attractive force, so they becomes free. That that is a possibility where you convert uh, a substance into its plasma state. Plasma-like gases have an infinite indefinite shape and indefinite volume. So here it is, if you see, these are the positive charges and these are the positive charges and these are electrons and they are free to move. And this type of the state of matter where the positive and negative charges are separate from each other, this is called plasma state or the fourth state of matter. So properties of plasma. Plasma is called the fourth state of matter in which gas occurs in ionic state. Ionic state means positive and negatives are separate. And how these get separated, I have discussed in detail. Positive ions and the electrons get separated in the presence of electric or magnetic field. This is another technique through which we change the substances into plasma state. Plasma can also exist in neon and fluorescent tubes when they glow. We use in our houses as well. These are the electronics items which we use in our daily life. And there is possibility with the passage of time, there will be frequent increase in the usage of these plasma uh, containing devices. Most of the matter that fills the universe is plasma state. Another important point. In such a state as our sun, gases exist in their ionic state. I have already discussed sun is the main source, main biggest source where this state exists. Plasma is highly conducting state of matter and can pass through it easily. Why? Because this is ionic state, and where there is ionic state, it becomes more easier for the current of the charges to move. So this is the one that flames places where the plasma are found. This is one of the example to understand. Number two is lightning. Lightning is another source where the plasma state can exist. It can produce the plasma state when the high amount of energy passes through the atoms and they convert it into ionic state that is positive and negative. Lightning is one of the example. So sun is another example of star plasma state. So why? Because a huge amount of temperature is there, which results in loosening the electron from the attractive force of the nucleus, and these free positive and negative charges are the fourth of the plasma state of the matter. So here it is, states of the matter. What happens? First of all, look at this is the sequence. What happens if a solid is if a substance is uh, each addition of energy creates a change in state. So this is the main points to remember. We add up energy with the solids, we heat the solid, these solids are converted into gases. Look at solids are converted after gaining energy, after getting energy in liquids. And when liquids are heated, they becomes gases. And when these gases are heated, they becomes plasma state. If you look at from this sequence, you see there is a very small types of the motion in case of solids which are closely packed with each other and they have vibration type of motion. Now the motion of the molecule have increased. Again, they are very much close, but the motion is very much visible in case of liquids because more amount of energy you have provided, and after getting this energy the kinetic energy of the molecule has increased, which results in the longer motion from the mean position. The third one is you see the space between the molecule has increased, and this is the state which is called gaseous state of the matter. And in case of gaseous state of the matter, the molecules move randomly frequently up to the large distance by taking the benefits of the space of the gap between the molecule. Now, if the further these gases are heated, what will happen? It will convert into positive and negative ions. These positive and negative ion is the fourth state of the matter. How it is achieved? By providing more and more amount of heat, more and more amount of energy. So solid converted into liquid, provide more amount of energy converted into gases. And at a gaseous state, you provide more amount of energy, it is converted into plasma state. These are the solids. Main points revised again. This is highly packed in a regular pattern, vibrate but not do not move from their place to place. This is another point to remember for the case of liquid close together with no regular arrangement, vibrate, move about, collide with past each other, and the other one is well separated with no regular arrangements, vibration, and move apart from each other. Now the third one is has no definite volume or shape and is compressed or electrically charged particle. Which one? Basically this one, plasma state, electrically charged particle. With this, our today's topic ends. I thank you very much for your patience. Hope you people have understood, and you are revising each day. Best of luck for the next till the next vlog.